Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix T-Mobile not receiving verification text. Usually, this is due to the short code blacklist. Now what this is, because let's say T-Mobile and other carriers may have a feature that basically blocks shortcodes which are used for sending verification text and other automated messages. So this is how you fix it. You just contact T-Mobile support, you call 611 or 1-800-937-8997, or you can use the T-Mobile app or social media channels to contact T-Force. And you can request removal of shortcode blacklist. Just explain that you're not receiving verification text and ask them to remove any blocks that may be preventing you from receiving them. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.